Welcome back to Autocar, your trusted destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2025 Isuzu Hi-Lander, a vehicle that blends rugged performance with premium design. Let's kick things off with the exterior design. The 2025 Isuzu Hi-Lander is a visual statement of strength and modernity. At the front, you'll notice its aggressive grille design, finished with bold chrome accents that enhance its commanding presence. The LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights provide excellent visibility while adding a sharp and futuristic edge to the overall look. Moving along the side profile, the Highlander boasts sculpted lines and flared wheel arches that emphasize its off-road capabilities. The 18-inch alloy wheels add a sporty touch, while the side steps and roof rails amplify both style and utility. At the rear, the sleek LED taillights and a redesigned bumper offer a contemporary vibe. Overall, the exterior is a perfect mix of robustness and sophistication. Stepping inside, let's talk about the interior. The cabin of the 2025 Isuzu Hi-Lander is where luxury meets practicality. The dashboard features a clean and ergonomic layout with soft-touch materials and metallic accents. At the center is a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, providing optimum comfort even on long drives. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom, making it ideal for family adventures or group trips. Premium leather upholstery and ambient lighting create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Additionally, you'll find multiple storage compartments and charging ports to keep things organized and your devices powered up. Moving on to performance. The Isuzu Hi-Lander is powered by a 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. This beast is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission for smooth and responsive driving. Whether you're tackling city streets or rugged trails, the Hi-Lander's excellent ground clearance and advanced suspension system ensure a comfortable and controlled ride. The 4x4 capability with terrain modes adds versatility, making it a reliable companion for off-road adventures. Let's take a moment to appreciate the history of the Hi-Lander. Isuzu has a long-standing reputation for building reliable and durable vehicles, and the Hi-Lander is no exception. This model continues the legacy of toughness and innovation that has made Isuzu a household name in the automotive world. Now for the all-important price. The 2025 Isuzu Hi-Lander starts at around $35,000, offering incredible value for its class. With its combination of premium features, robust performance, and modern design, it stands out in the competitive midsize SUV market. Finally, let's highlight some standout features. Advanced safety tech like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera ensure peace of mind. The vehicle also includes a premium sound system, wireless charging, and a smart keyless entry system. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Isuzu Hi-Lander. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting automotive content. See you next time on Autocar, where every drive matters.